Yes, welcome. Today we're going to be learning how to install Python so that we can start coding Python immediately. So this is my computer. I'm using the camera to video this. So I'll go to the address bar. This is the address bar. I normally talk about address bar when I'm. So I'll simply go to this address bar and I will type in www.python.org/downloads. So I'll type www dot python.org. Let me get it closer so that you see it. www.python.org/download. Okay, www.python.org/downloads. Enter. So when I type that, wait, you can see now this is Python. This is the Python website. So downloads, I made mistake. I typed 2s instead of 1s. That's why it's saying no found. So I remove it, the extra s. You can see it's showing. So you can see the current version of Python that is available. You see the Python 3.6.5. So you go there, you click on it. You can see where I clicked, showing me the current Python that is available. This is my system as you're looking at it. So I got here, I typed www.python.org/downloads. Then it showed me this. Then I clicked on download Python 3.6.5. So that's where I'm going to click. So once you click on there, you go down. Once you click there, you go down, you scroll down, see? So that you can see the different versions of Python that are available. Different versions of Python that are available. So if I'm like me now, I'm looking for Python 3.6, which is the latest edition that is working. So I can as well go here, looking for Python with different OS, Windows, you click here. I can as well go here, can you see, looking for Python with different OS, Windows. But let me just quickly come to 3.6.5 here. 3.6.5 here. So I click on this download. So when I click on this download, it's going to lead me to where I can download this 3.5.6 and possibly where I can select, okay, it's opening now. So this is 3.5.6. So I'll scroll down. I can read much about it before downloading. Or better still, can just get back to the former page where I was. Can just get back to the former page where I was and just click on the operating system that I'm using. So this is www.python.org/downloads. This is the page where you get your, okay, this is it actually showing here. So I can click on save. Once I click on save, I will see it. So what I wanted to show us is that if you get to that download, www.python.org/download, just click on your operating system. This Windows operating system, click pycharm. So once you click here, it will lead you to, these are releases for Windows. You understand? So you can click on latest Python release 3.5.6. Click on it, and it will still download. It will still show you like this 3.5.6. You understand? So you click on what? Run or open for. Okay, it has finished downloading. So I now click on run. So once you finish downloading, click on run to open this. When you open this, you go and click on this run to ask you some questions. Just click on install now. You see that? Install now. Install now. To show you this, do you want this program? Yes. Then you wait for it to finish installing. So you can see that our Python is installing now. So when it finishes installing, we are going to check out some things and see whether it's working. So this is Python 3.6 points. So let me go through the steps I used again. I just opened my system, just like the way you're saying the system now. This is your system. So on this very place that they call the address bar, I got to the address bar, I typed in www.python.org/downloads. So once you type that, it will bring out this place for you. So you can now type, you see the download something that reads download there. Then click on the Windows version of it because you're using Windows operating system, and it will download. When it finishes download, click on run, then it will bring out this. So it's now installing in this system. So this thing is showing that it is installing. So wait for it to finish installing, so that we'll check out the other aspect. So as it's installing, there is another thing we need to install, call it pycharm. So I can open, you hit this plus place, so as to open another bar while this one is installing. So to install pycharm is the editing environment that we're going to be using. You can also use IDLE, but we're going to be using pycharm because pycharm is very easy. So to install pycharm, you just go to the address bar and type www.jetbrains.com. Enter. So you go to JetBrains. Those are the jetbrains.com. www.jetbrains.com. So it will open the JetBrains website. So when you get to JetBrains website, you type in, you go to pycharm, or you just type www.jetbrains.com/. So I still get back to here. So I put /pycharm. Then I click on enter. So as I put pycharm, it's gonna, you can see it now, pycharm has opened. So what do? I just go and click on download now, because I want to download pycharm. You can see it here, download now. Once it opens, I'll go to there are two editions, the professional edition and the community edition. I'll go to the community edition and click on download. So once I click on this community edition, it's asking me whether I want to subscribe. But it has downloaded, you can see now. You can see it here. What do you want to do with it? I also want to run it. It has finished downloading. So I click on run in order to run it. So the two things that you need for you to run Python is downloading and installing Python, then downloading and installing pycharm. So I believe my Python, okay, this is it, set up, completely installed. See, the Python has completely installed. So I can now click on close while I'm waiting for my what's it called? While I'm waiting for my pycharm to complete its installation. So once you've downloaded Python and pycharm, which is the IDE that you're going to be using to code it, then you're good to go. You're good to start coding immediately. So 14% of pycharm downloaded. It's still downloading. It has not finished. The pycharm has not finished. So like I said, pycharm and Python. So both of them, we're downloading them now. So in the next class, I'm going to teach you how to start using them to code immediately. So basically, download the pycharm and the Python from the addresses that I've given you. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to these our lectures. I'm going to be in the description section of this video. I'm going to be dropping the addresses for the Python, the www.python.org/downloads and the www.jetbrains.com/pycharm/download, where you get all these downloads. Note, immediately after downloading, please make sure that you install, because it's only when you install that you can then use it. So when you download, if you want to install, you just click on run or click on install. You're following the wizard as it shows. Anywhere it says next, just click on next. It's very, very simple installation. So once you're done with that, then we can start in the next class to code Python. Thank you.